I am Omvir Singh as a research scholar from CSR Indian Institute of Petroleum. Today I have a talk on integration of zeolite metal organic framework composite for isopropyl conversion into aromatic hydrocarbon. First of all, I want to start with the introduction. As the market demand of aromatic is expected to increase 954.97 million USD during 2021 to 2025 due to increasing in the share price of the packaging, that can lead to dependency on a fossil fuel. As the time proceeds, fossil fuel are decreasing, which can as the time proceeds, fossil fuel are decreasing, and which is a primary feedstock, and every energy, chemical, and material is derived from primary source, and its demand is increased 20% in 2015, but it causes several disadvantages, which causes global warming and the emission of a different greenhouse gases, and the high price of a fossil fuel that can create problem for us. That's why we are focusing on renewable source, that is the biomass or biomass derived molecule, that is the isopropyl alcohol, as renewable energy resource is divided into two parts. First is renewable, second is renewable, and biomass is come into a renewable source, and which is a carbonaceous species which can be converted into aromatic hydrocarbon or a useful chemical via different catalytic upgradation. Up to that time, various literature were reported in which LPG, naphtha are used as a primary feedstock, which can give different selectivity of aromatic hydrocarbon over gallium supported ZSM5 catalyst. But there is a gap difference, though no renewable source or biomass derived source is reported, mainly toluene or xylene rich xylene selective product. That's why we are focusing on toluene or xylene rich product, which were highly demand for market. That's why our key objective is to synthesis of a different metal supported zeolite catalyst, to then come to physiochemical characterization of a different prepared catalyst via several instrumental technique like XRD, VD, SAM, TAM, TPD, to know the metal support interaction and how much acidity in the material. Then do the catalytic reaction at high temperature and atmospheric pressure. Then understand the metal support interaction and optimize the reaction parameter to know which temperature and LHS we give good conversion and aromatic selectivity. Then propose a mechanism pathway how isopropyl alcohol can be converted into aromatic hydrocarbon. For this purpose, I have synthesized different material. From them, we found that different metal play a different role, and different promoter also enhance the aromatic selectivity and catalyst deactivation. After modification with different promoter, then come to synthesis part of a catalyst. I have prepared the catalyst using I have synthesized the catalyst via hydrothermal treatment, in which imidazole and chloromethylsilane were homogeneously mixed at 70 degree for 20 hours in inert atmosphere. After that, addition of a tetraethyl orthosilane and ethanol, and continue the stirring at 50 degree for 8 hours. Then washing with the ether and dry in a vacuum at 95 degrees Celsius. After that, addition of a water and aluminum isopropoxide and different metal salt, and stirring the solution at room temperature for 30 minutes. Then autoclave the solution at 135 for 48 hours. After that, filter and dry the solution overnight, and then calcine the material at 550 for 6 hours to obtain gray color bimetallic imidazole zinc chromium supported imidazole catalyst. In same way, various monometallic and bimetallic imidazole supported catalysts were prepared. Then come to XC2 hydrothermal method, in which first of all imidazole and different metal salt were homogenized in a water. After that, addition of a ammonium hydroxide, and then addition of a ethylene glycol, and stirring the solution at 80 degree for 8 hours. After that, autoclave the solution at 120 degrees Celsius for 12 hours and filter. Then dry overnight at 120 degrees Celsius. Then calcine at 550 for 6 hours. We obtained XC2 zinc chromium imidazole catalyst. In same way, XC2 were also synthesized. Then come to characterization part of a prepared catalyst. First of all, XRD and imidazole supported catalyst showing a crystalline peak at different plane. After the addition of a zinc chromium, the peak intensity, an extra peak were observed, which is due to zinc oxide and chromium oxide. In case of a spent catalyst, the peak intensity is decreased, which is due to coke deposition in the catalyst. Then come to nitrogen adsorption desorption curve, which showing a type 4 isotherm, which can indicate that mesoporosity in the material having a pore diameter in the range of 0.56 to 0.65. Then come to HRTM to know the morphology in the material. Zinc oxide and chromium oxide is showing a clear fringes, which can indicate that the material is highly crystalline, having a particle size in the range of 10 to 20 nanometer. Then come to XPS to know the oxidation state of a material. Chromium showing two spin component. First spin component 586.1 electron volt, that is 2p1/2, and second spin component which is 577.0 electron volt, which is due to 2p3/2, which can indicate chromium in +3 oxidation state, and zinc showing two spin component, first at 1042.3 electron volt, that is 2p1/2, and second spin component 1019.4 electron volt, which corresponding to zinc in +2 oxidation state. Then come to aluminum 2p, which showing 2p1/2 at 76.8, and spin component 75.6, which corresponding to 2p3/2, which can indicate alumina in +3 oxidation state. Then come to silica showing and +4 oxidation state. Then come to acidity measurement via ammonia TPD. It's showing a 2 desorption peak. First desorption peak at low temperature, that is corresponding to 182 degrees Celsius, and second desorption peak at a moderate temperature, that is 303 degrees Celsius. And after the addition of a different metal, the peak intensity is increased, which is due to increase in the acidity after loading of a different metal. In the case of a spent catalyst, the peak intensity is decreased, which is due to decrease in acidity after the reaction. Then come to pyridine IR to distinguish which acidic site present in a catalyst. After the loading of a different metal, the Lewis acidity is increased, which is corresponding to 1452 centimeter inverse. The peak intensity is increased of the peak intensity of a Lewis is increased as compared to Brunner due to increase in the Lewis acidity in the material after the loading of a different metal. Then come to catalytic activity for aromatization reaction. I have do the catalytic reaction in a fixed bed continuous flow reactor at high temperature and atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure at different LHSV and temperature. This is the reactor diagram of my reaction. Then come to catalytic activity for aromatization reaction. I have do the catalytic reaction using different type of imidazole supported catalyst. From them we found imidazole supported catalyst showing a good performance as compared to ZSM5, and after the addition of a different bimetallic, the conversion and aromatic selectivity is increased, which is due to increase in the acidity after loading of a different metal. Then come to RGA. We found different gases like hydrogen, ethane, ethylene, propane, propylene, which were formed during the reaction, which were detected by RGA. Then come to optimization part. First of all, effect of temperature. As we increase the temperature from 350 to 500, the conversion is increased, but aromatic selectivity is decreased, which is due to more cracking at higher temperature. And then come to LHSV. As LHSV is inversely proportional to contact time. If we increase the contact time, there is a formation of more side product in the reaction. Then come to mechanism pathway. As we found, IPA first goes to cracking to give olefin type that was oligomerized to give diolefin, and diolefin and monoolefin cyclized to give monoaromatic, and monoaromatic, some of monoaromatic is linked with the olefin to give ethylated product, that is toluene or ethyl benzene or xylene. Then come to conclusion. As zinc-based MOF composite with a tunable acidity and pore structure give better stability as compared to pure ZSM5 catalyst. The high dispersion of a zinc in a composite that give that gives cyclodehydrogenation activity of a IPA to give aromatic hydrocarbon. As we found, zinc chromium imidazole supported catalyst give a good performance, that is 92.3 conversion and 89.5 aromatic selectivity. And as we found that zeolite imidazole MOF, that is a composite having other application in gas separation and some CO2 capturing type of a application. Then come to then thank you so much for my presenting.